guys, welcome to my page, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my channel, Chi Baby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today's recipe will be making banga stew. Ofe Akwu. Banga is palm fruit. Soup, sauce, soup, yes. So we call it banga in our local dialect. Banga is for, I think, the Delta region. We, the Igbos, we call it Akwu. So we'll be using this one thing because I'm not making that big amount of it. So I am only preparing just one, 2 or 3 portions. And I didn't want to go through that stress by using the fresh palm fruit, cooking it, washing it and all that, since the amount that I'm cooking is, just a little portion. I said let me buy this one. I got this one from African shop. Yes. Banga fruit extract. So I've already transferred it here in this cooking pot, and I already pour reasonable amount of water on it. So I'll start by cooking it, and before I do that I will put enough onion on it to bring out the flavor. So for the rest of the ingredients I will show you guys, just stay tuned. Okay, so I will be using this onion. I've already placed the pot on the fire. You can see it over there. The sauce is boiling, so I'm going to pour this onion. Make sure you add reasonable amount of onion to bring out that flavor. So I'll be adding this onion inside the pot. And I also have a banga spice here, so I'll add it together. That's enough. Then allow it to steam for a while. So I'll be adding blended chili. Okay, for the protein that I'm using, I am using goat meat. So I've already cooked the goat meat. Yeah, so I'll be adding it inside the pot. As you can see that the pot, the sauce is boiling. So I'll be adding this goat meat and also the stock inside the pot. Then another thing, I am using ogiri. What's the name in English? Ogiri. I think this two is enough. So I'll be blending it together with crayfish. After blending it, I will also add it inside the pot. Okay guys, I'm adding dry fish. At this point, I'll be adding crayfish blended with ogiri. Need to add enough crayfish. I like adding crayfish, so I'll be adding seasoning. I'll be adding salt. yummy, delicious. Okay, so here I have a scent leaf and fresh ugu. Fresh ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf. The ugu and scent leaf. Then our banga stew is ready. So finally I am adding the leaf. Don't forget to taste always. I will allow it to steam for a few minutes before I turn off the gas.